Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best PediPaws is probably one of the most innovative grooming tools to hit the market, designed to make nail trimming for your furry friends a breeze rather than a chore. This electric nail file gently and effectively trims and shapes pet nails, reducing the risk of overcutting and the associated pain or bleeding that can occur with traditional clippers. It's engineered for quiet operation to minimize stress for anxious pets, and its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip for you, making the grooming process smoother and safer for everyone involved. Number 5. Casfuy Upgraded Dog Nail Grinder. Experience the safest and most comfortable pet claw grinding. This tool painlessly and precisely trims your pet's nails anywhere, as recommended by professionals. It features an adjustable speed to support heavy grinding. With 3 different ports, you can easily match the right setting to your pet's size and nail hardness. Worried about noise and vibration stressing your pet? Our grinder uses quiet technology, producing very low vibration to help trim claws faster and easier. This cordless tool is rechargeable and easy to handle. Enjoy up to 2 hours of use after a 3-hour charge, perfect for grooming on the go. Achieve smooth, painlessly trimmed nails for dogs and cats of all sizes. It's the professional solution for at-home grooming. What we like? If you're looking for a reliable and professional-grade tool, this is a great option. Its advanced diamond drum bit ensures a safe and comfortable trim, recommended by vets. If you have a pet with varying nail hardness, the 2 speed settings and 3 ports allow for precise customization. If you want a tool that offers a balance of power and gentleness, this grinder is a solid choice. What people say? Super easy to use, battery lasts a long time. Good quality and not super loud. The grinding will slowly reduces the nail. And the fact that it is quiet does not frighten our 4-legged family member. It's not very loud and it does the job much better than clippers. Number 4. YABIFE Dog Nail Trimmers and Clippers Kit. Tired of expensive professional nail trims? This kit includes both clippers and a grinder, allowing you to groom your pet's nails at home like a pro. Save hundreds of dollars every year with this essential pet grooming tool. Our device operates at a whisper quiet level, below 30 dB, ensuring your pet won't be frightened. You can even trim their nails while they're sleeping, making grooming a stress-free experience. With 3 adjustable speeds and 3 different grinding port sizes, this tool is suitable for pets of all sizes and nail hardness. Achieve professional grooming results tailored to your pet's specific needs. Integrated LED lights help you easily see the quick, preventing accidental injury. The clear power percentage display ensures you know when to recharge, avoiding interruptions during grooming. Forget proprietary chargers. This grinder uses a universal Type-C USB port for fast charging with any compatible cable. Its long-lasting battery provides up to 12 hours of use on a single charge. What we like? If you're a beginner looking to save money on grooming, this kit is perfect as it includes both clippers and a grinder. The LED lighting helps you see the quick clearly, preventing accidental nicks. If you value convenience and modern features, the Type-C charging and long battery life make it easy to use anywhere. What people say? The motor is super quiet. The light helps a ton with the process. There were 3 different types of grinders: soft, medium, and coarse. The noise isn't too loud where he was terrified, so it was helpful to just have it run for a little while without it being used on him right away. The power was not at all an issue and the noise isn't as loud for the amount of power it gives. The light coming off the trimmer is strong and the grinding wheel wasn't too loud. One cool feature on the clipper is a small guard that helps make sure you don't clip too much. Also, the trimmer grinds the nail down super well, but I touched it with my skin and it did not hurt me, so it's pretty safe while also working great. Number 3. YABIFE Electric Dog Nail Grinder Kit. Tired of expensive professional nail trims? This kit includes both clippers and a grinder, allowing you to achieve professional results at home. Save hundreds of dollars annually on pet grooming with this essential tool. Our device operates at a whisper quiet volume, below 30 dB, ensuring your pet remains calm during grooming. You can even trim their nails while they sleep without causing distress. With 3 adjustable speeds and 3 different grinding port sizes, this tool is suitable for pets of all sizes and nail hardness. Easily select the right setting for a professional grooming experience. Integrated LED lights help you clearly see the nail quick, preventing accidental injury. A convenient percentage display shows the remaining battery life, so you can recharge before it runs out. Forget proprietary chargers, this grinder uses a universal Type-C USB port for fast and convenient charging. Its long-lasting battery provides up to 12 hours of use on a single charge, enough for many pets. What we like. If you're a beginner looking to save money on grooming, this kit is perfect as it includes both clippers and a grinder. The LED lighting helps you see the quick clearly, preventing accidental nicks. If you value convenience and modern features, the Type-C charging and long battery life make it easy to use anywhere. What people say. The product is easy to use and effective for grooming. It works well on different pet fur types, making grooming a breeze. The design is ergonomic and comfortable to hold during use. Number 2. Bonve Pet Nail Grinder for Dogs. Our pet nail grinder operates with a whisper-quiet motor, keeping noise below 50 dB. This ensures a calm experience for your pet, making nail trimming faster and easier while reducing the risk of injury. With 2 adjustable speeds and 3 grinding ports, this trimmer is suitable for pets of all sizes. Simply select the appropriate setting based on your pet's size and nail hardness for a smooth and quick trim. Conveniently recharge it via USB with a helpful indicator light. Enjoy up to 8 hours of use on a single charge, perfect for both professional grooming salons and home use. Experience faster, more precise, and comfortable nail grinding thanks to its powerful motor and advanced diamond bit. It offers a painless and accurate way to trim nails, recommended by professionals. Its lightweight and ergonomic design fits comfortably in your hand, creating smoother nail tips with ease. This portable trimmer is convenient for grooming anywhere, anytime. What we like. If you have a pet that gets easily stressed by noise, this grinder's whisper-quiet motor is a game-changer. The long-lasting battery provides ample grooming time, and its ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold. If you're looking for a tool that prioritizes your pet's comfort and your ease of use, this is an excellent choice for home grooming. What people say. It's very quiet, smooth, and trims a good amount in little time. This trimmer is USB charged, and we can take it anywhere we go. The noise from it is very quiet, and is just a slight buzzing sound. It's quieter than the drill they use on my nails at my salon. Number 1. VIWIK Rechargeable Dog Nail Grinder. This tool uses advanced diamond bits for a safe and effective trim. You can painlessly groom your pet's nails anywhere, making it a great gift for pet lovers. It features 3 ports suitable for small, medium, and large pets. You can also adjust the speed to match your pet's nail hardness. With its precision motor, it operates at a low noise level below 50 dB and minimal vibration. Your pet won't be afraid during grooming. This cordless grinder is rechargeable via USB, making it easy to power up anywhere. Its lightweight design ensures comfortable handling. Fully charge it before the first use. This tool works for various pet nail sizes, allowing you to groom your pet's claws conveniently at home. What we like. If you need a grinder that's easy to transport and use on the go, this portable option is ideal. Its ultra-quiet operation ensures a stress-free experience for your pet, and the USB rechargeable battery adds to its convenience. If you're looking for a straightforward and effective tool for quick touch-ups or regular grooming, this grinder fits the bill. What people say. The product is easy to use and works well on my dog's nails. It grinds the nails smoothly and doesn't seem to hurt my pet. The design is ergonomic and comfortable to hold, making grooming less of a chore. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.